What are they doing?
They're eating grass.
Look at the horses. What are they doing?
They're running.
Today, the children are helping on the farm.
They're feeding the sheep.
They're feeding the goats too.
You can learn a lot about sheep and goats on the farm.
Goats eat grass. Look, they're very hungry. They're eating a lot of grass.
This girl likes ducks. What is she doing?
She's feeding the ducks.
They're hungry too.
Look at these children. What are they doing?
Are they feeding the cows?
No, they're feeding the horses. Horses eat carrots.
In the UK, farms are very popular.
You can see a lot of animals. Do you like farms?